Hi friends, happy to see you again. In this video we are going to see what is the formula and what is the definition of the mean, median, mode and range. First we see the definition of that all this. Mean. The mean is the total of the all values divided by the number of values. Median. The median is the middle number of the listed number order from lowest to highest. Mode. The mode is a value that appear most often in the set data. Range. The range is the difference between the lowest value and the highest value. Let me see about what is the mean and how to calculate the mean value. First we see what is the definition of the mean. So mean usually used for the general terminology for average. The mean defined as a sum of the observed value divided by the total number of the observations. Let me see the set value as below and let me see the formula for that mean. Sum of the observed value divided by total number of observed value. So this is the formula for that how to the calculation of that mean. To find the average value of the collected set values. The mean is equal to as seen that above set value you can list it there and divided by total number of observed value means we can count how many numbers observed data values available here. Let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total observed value is 9. So we have to mention that 9 under the divided. So we have to add all these values. The total value sum of the value of observed value is 99. So divided by 9. So while dividing this observed value divided by the number of value is 11. So the mean and average value of the above available data is 11. Next we'll see median. So median, the definition is the median tell you where the middle or center value of the set data. So we'll set data we can see what is the exact middle value. So the same set value you can see here and the formula for sorry. So before calculating this we have to organize the set value from lowest to highest value. So we'll see in the above set value what is the lowest value is 6 and 7 and one more 7 and one more 7, then 9, then 11, then 11, 18 and 23. So the observed value we got reorganized with the smallest value to biggest value. So in this the middle number which is showing for 9. So that means before 4 number and uh, after the 4 number in the middle is 9. So the median or center value is here for is 9. Then we'll see mode and range. Mode is mode or most. In statics, the mode is a value that repeatedly occurring in the given set. So the same set value you can replicate here. In this also we have to do reordering of the observed value from smallest to highest value. The first smallest value from started here is again 6, 7 and 7 and one more 7, then 9, 11 and one more 11 and 18, then last number is 23. So here repeated value, which is the 7 is repeatedly 3 times in the set value. So the mode or most repeated value is 7. Then we'll see how to calculate in the range. The observed value, the range is the value of difference between the lowest and largest and smallest value. So the difference of that the set value, which is highest and lowest, we have to see the difference. So here the set value replicated here, and the lowest value which you can see here is largest value is 23 and the smallest value is 6. So we'll see the difference of the value. 23 minus 6 is equal to 17. The range of that observed set value is 17. So this is the snapshot. We can see the all 4 definition and the value and the result of that same thing. Thank you for your patience to listen this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and put your comments if you want to do any changes and improvement in my video. Thank you for your patience. We'll see in the next video.